and Basud. And the eastern portion of Camarines Sur, no? Siruma, Caramoan, Garcetorena, Tinambac, Lagunoy, and the entire province of Catanduanes. Nakataas naman po ang signal number 4 sa southern portion of Isabela. Kasama dyan yung San Agustin, Jones, Echage, Dinapigue, San Guillermo, Quirino. The eastern portion of Nueva Vizcaya, Dupax del Sur, Dupax del Norte, Alfonso, Castañeda, Casibo. The rest of Aurora, Nueva Ecija, the easternmost portion of Pampanga, yan po yung Candaba, the northern and eastern portions of Bulacan, Doña Remedios, Trinidad, San Miguel, San Ildefonso, Norzagaray, San Rafael, the northern and eastern portions of Quezon, yan po yung Tagkawayan, Calawag, Ginayangan, Perez, Alabat, Quezon, Infanta, General Nakar, and Real, and the rest of Camarines Norte, the rest of Camarines Sur, and the northeastern portion of Albay. So yan po yung Rapu-Rapu, Bakakay, City of Tabaco, Malilipot, Malinaw, Tiwi, Pulangi. Nakataas naman po ang signal number 3 sa southern portion of mainland Cagayan. Kasama po dyan ang Tuaw, Enrile, Solana, Tugigaraw City, Peña Blanca, Igig, Piat, Amulong. The rest of Isabela, the rest of Nueva Vizcaya, the southern portion of Apayao, Kalinga, Abra, Southern Mountain Province, Ifugao, Benguet, Ilocos Sur, La Union, Pangasinan, Zambales, Bataan, Tarlac, the rest of Pampanga, the rest of Bulacan, Metro Manila, nakataas po ang signal number 3 sa Metro Manila, Cavite, Batangas, Rizal, Laguna, the rest of Quezon, Marinduque, the rest of Albay, Sorsogon, Ticao, and Burias Island. Sa Visayas naman, nakataas ang signal number 3 sa Northern Samar. Sa signal number 2 naman, the rest of Cagayan, including Babuyan Island, the rest of Apayao, Ilocos Norte, Occidental Mindoro, including Lubang Islands, Oriental Mindoro, Romblon, and the rest of Masbate. Sa Visayas naman, Eastern Samar, Biliran, and the northern and central portions of Leyte. And signal number 1 naman nakataas sa Batanes, Calamian Island, and Cuyo Island for Luzon. Sa Visayas naman, the rest of Leyte, southern Leyte, Bohol, the northern and central portions of Cebu, Bantayan and Camotes Island, the northern and central portions of Negros Occidental, the northern portion of Negros Oriental, Guimaras, Iloilo, Capiz, Aklan, and Antique. Sa Mindanao naman, nakataas ang signal number 1 sa Dinagat Island, Surigao del Norte, the northern portion of Agusan del Norte, and the northern portion of Surigao del Sur. Ngayon naman po, nag-anunsyo na po ang Malacanang na wala na pong meron na pong suspension ng klase at trabaho sa gobyerno bukas, Lunes, no, November 10, 2025 sa sumusunod na mga regions, no? NCR, Cordillera, and regions 1, 2, 3, 4A, 4B, Region 5, Region 8 dahil ito naman sa Super Typhoon Uwan na inaasahan natin na may dalang malalakas na pag-ulan at malalakas na hangin at matinding pag-ulan. And then sa Tuesday naman, suspendido pa rin po ang classes at all level in the following regions, no? Yung nabanggit ko kanina, NCR, CAR, Region 1, Region 2, Region 4, Region 3, Region 4A, 4B, 5, 8. Tapos kasama dyan yung Region 6, Region 7, Negros Island regions. So yun po ang suspended classes and work tomorrow and Tuesday. So bukas po work and classes ay suspended dun sa mga regions na nabanggit natin. And then sa Tuesday, yung classes naman dun sa mga regions. No? Work will resume. Now in terms of preemptive evacuation naman po, as of 11 o'clock this morning, November 9, meron na pong na-report sa atin na 270,682 families, no, or close or 916,863 individuals ang sumama sa ating preemptive evacuation. So that covers CAR, Region 1, Region 2, Region 3, 4A, 4B, NCR, Region 5, Region 6, 7, and 8. Marami po ang nag-preemptive evacuation sa Region 5. Umabot po sa 192,765 families or 660,721 individuals. Susunod dyan ay Region 8 na merong 32,020 families or 112,760 individuals. Tapos Region 4A, no? 24,209 families or 74,388 families. So yun po, as we speak po, ang Region 5 po ay meron na pong reports kaming nakuha na they are currently experiencing strong winds and moderate to heavy rains, lalo na sa Catanduanes at lahat po ng probinsya except Sorsogon, as of 9 ito kanina ay wala pong kuryente dahil yung iba diyan ay preemptive, no, ang ginagawa. Meron pong initial report na meron na pong nawalan ng signal yung Bato, Catanduanes, Pandan, Catanduanes, and northern portion of Catanduanes ay mahirap na po ang signal. So doon po. So nakakaranas po sila ngayon yung regions 8 and 5 ng matinding epekto nitong bagyong Uwan. Now as we speak, it is fast approaching yung ating Luzon Island, kaya ngayon, umpisa ngayon hanggang mamayang gabi ay makakaranas po ng matinding pag-ulan at malalakas na hangin. Itong mga areas na nabanggit ko under storm signal number 4, number 5, 4, and 3. So yan lang po muna and we can open the floor for questions. At nakabukas po or ongoing po ang ating coordination with the different regions, no? Nandito po ang ating Secretary of National Defense and Chairman ng NDRIMC. Nandito po sa ating Operation Center para pangungunahan ang ating preparation and response operations dito sa ating national level.
Sure. Good morning. Mark Macalalad from DCWB. Ano po yung mga provinces na hardest hit nitong Super Typhoon Uwan? And meron na rin ba tayong reported casualties, if any?
So far, ongoing pa lang yung impact niya, no? So nag-umpisa ito sa Region 8 and then Region 5. Papunta na ito sa Regions 4A or NB and then NCR, Central Luzon, no? Hanggang Northern Luzon. So far, it's too early for us to say kung ano po, saan po ang hardest hit kasi ongoing pa po. Dumadaan pa lang po siya sa Catanduanes, but of course, dahil po nakataas diyan ang Signal 5 at saka Signal 4, we hope, no, itong mga areas na ito ay ma-withstand itong or minimal lang sana ang effect, but we are not discounting all possibilities na dito po among the provinces na tatamaan niya ay doon po makikita ang hardest hit. Tingnan natin kasi ang projected landfall ay saan yun? Sa Aurora, no? Kasiguran. So diyan po titingnan natin yung impact later. So kaya po kami 24/7 po kami magmo-monitor hanggang mamayang gabi. We will man the operation center, yung interagency coordination cell para po talaga tutukan ang effect nitong uwan. So by the hour, every hour we are requiring updates sa ating mga region. But so far, yun pa lang po, no? Power, no reports yet on casualty. We hope it will stay that way at tayo naman ay nanawagan na magkaroon na po ng preemptive evacuation. Kaya nga kanina I mentioned the numbers as of 11. Region 5 nag-cooperate po sila, Region 8, and we hope itong other areas na dadaanan ay na implement na nila ang kanilang mga respective preemptive actions or protocols.
Sir, sa